Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Just a quick video on how to reset the oil life monitor on your 2020 Supra. So first you're going to go into diagnostic mode, 3 quick presses of the start button. And you're going to see everything light up. And you'll see diagnostic mode active. Then you're going to press and hold that trip odometer reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we go. And now it comes up engine oil reset possible. So I'm going to press it again. Press and hold it again. Reset. Press and hold it again. Reset in progress. It's 10,000 miles and a year before it needs reset again. So that is all there's to it. You don't have to go to a dealer for them to reset it. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.